peaceful week, huh? Peaceful week. There was I digging a hole. There was I thinking what the hell I'll do. And I thought to myself, I haven't had a shop for a while. Let's go and have a shop, you know. So I come across this. A 9-inch nasty pasty Bosch, which I was told was working. Well, looking at the screws, it's never been took apart before, which is always a good sign. I put the plug on, so the first thing we want to do is obviously check the fuse. Because it could be deader. It could be deader. So let's whip into it. Whippy! Let's whip into it. It's a 13 ampy, and somewhere I saw one of these things. Now this is a toy one, so don't get excited. In fact, this is a toy one, but don't work. And I got all excited then. So we could take a fuse out of something else. Or we could just... Don't do this at home. 5 wraps. It's 13 amp. I don't think I'll show this on a video because I'll get in trouble with the internet. The internet mafia. What hangs around. Plug it in, Bob. That's deader than deader. That's dead, boss. Right, so it's not a fuse. You've got to go from the plug to here, the trigger. See if there's light coming up here. But there's a little hole here. Oh. It's where the fuses are, and they're looking pretty good. They're seized in it as well. So we got a seized brush. If I can get that spring out of my way. Ah, the button's through at the bottom lock. When that button comes through, it stops your current. There's a button in the middle that pushes that away. So let's take that button out for a minute. We'll have a look in this side of the wheel. If one side's like it, you probably can't see. It's just like that safety feature when the brush gets too low, there's a little button pops out the bottom and pushes the brush back, which says, whoa there, that's as far as you're going, it says, you know what I mean? Let's have a look at this one. No, this one's good, so it was only the one. We can get some, obviously. Put that back in for a laugh. There's your to-doodler, but what's missing, that's not the right handle either. I wanted to put that back on there, but that's not the right one. Definitely not the right one, because these are flipping big holes. They are a big hole in there. So I really want to make that fit that. Excuse me, well I kissed this guy. People worry about me, I don't know why. Now you've got something to hang on to, and if you want to take it back out, you can take it back out. Alright, so we're going to take it over the works to try it. Let me shut this gas off because we're going to try it anyway. You know what I'm like. So I'll try this one up here. Anybody want a coat hanger? junk I got lying around here. I'll try it in here. Now that should go. See? You see it? It just knocked out all the plugs. So I'm going to take it over the works and I'll try it there. So it's done really, it's done, yeah, that's done, thanks. Alright, so I might disappear for a couple of days.